It's a bit dusty. 3, 2, 1.
Back home to you.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I thought, why not prank my brother Curtis, because I ain't done a prank for about a week, and that's quite long for me actually. It's not, because I don't really do pranks on this channel, but I've started doing it now and it's actually getting quite fun. But yeah, I'm gonna move this light a bit. I'll just keep it like that. And yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a hairdryer. I don't have it with me now, so I'll put some pictures. So all you need is a hairdryer and either baby powder or flour, and I use flour and the hairdryer. Well, that's what I'm going to use anyway. And yeah, let's get there, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so let's get this ready. We've got our flour. I don't have any baby powder, so I'll have to make do with this. Here you go. And we've got the hairdryer. Let's pour it in. I'm gonna have to make this so unobvious. Alright guys, so I've done it. I just need to get rid of the evidence, because that's noticeable. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys after. Okay guys, so today I'm joining my brother Curtis, and he's going to tell you guys exactly what I put in my hair. So Curtis, start off, why don't you? So the first object is some tiny comb hairspray. Ready? It's a bit dusty. Right, hold it there. Right, wait. Right, 1, go. What the flip happened there? Curtis, I'm afraid to say this, but you just got pranked. Oh, is it all over the it's all over the GoPro. Luckily it's in the shower, otherwise that would have gone wrong. That is a sick. Oh my god, your hair. Alright guys, this is the aftermath of everything stuck in there. Trying to get it all out. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
To a savage.